times, there's no addition or subtraction problem there, another binomial. So I notice that I have two operations here I need to think about, addition and multiplication. And I happen to know that when you do PEMDAS, you do multiplication and division first, and then last is addition and subtraction. So it seems to me that this should happen first, and then once you multiply, then you can add this last binomial. Think about it. If you had 2 plus 7 times 3, I'm hoping by now you would know that this would have to get multiplied first and then added to your other term. That's just the law. We all agree as mathematicians to follow this order of operations. When there's more than one operation, we do them in this order. So, that being said, that means we should probably multiply these first and then add this binomial. So I have a binomial times a binomial. That's going to be a 2 by 2. My two terms here are 2x and negative 2 and x and negative 3. Now be careful, you're multiplying. This is 2 times x, which is 2x squared. This is 2 times x times negative 3, which is negative 6x. This is negative 2 times x, which is negative 2x, and negative 2 times negative 3 is positive 6. When you add all those together, you get 2x squared. Be careful, all these are negative. You have 8 negative x's, and you have a positive 6, but we're not done. All we did was multiply. This is the product of these two binomials. Now we're going to take the product of these two binomials and we're going to add this binomial right here. So we have 2x squared minus 8x plus 6, the product of these two, and we're going to add x minus 1. Now we're just adding, so we're just going to distribute positive 1, so none of our terms are going to change their value. And I have a 2x squared. I have 7 negative x's. And I have 6 positives and 1 negative. If I combine those, I'm going to have 5 extra positives left over. This is your answer to that problem. You better know how to do that. I'm going to stop right there because my video is getting a little too long. So that's part 2, and part 3 is going to be a separate video. Whoopsie. Oh, go for it. That was my adorable friend. Okay, all the creepy little kids are coming out in my room. I'm done now.